Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how you can find your Discord ID in the phone. So first of all you have to go to any browser. So I will choose this Chrome browser, and in the Google just search Discord and you will get to see this page, and click over here and just click over the three dots that is on top right corner, and here just select the desktop site. Okay, now here you will see an option to open Discord. Just click on that, and after that your Discord will be open and you have to log in. So just put your username and password and you will enter into your Discord account. Okay, now after that you have to go down, just scroll down, and just I will zoom it over here so that you can see properly, and over here just click on setting icon. Okay, and after that you have to go to advanced option and make sure that your developer option is on. You have to make sure that this option should be on. Okay, and after that click on escape and just go to, let's say, just go to any of the channel. Okay, and just type something, and I will type here hi. Okay, and let me show you. After zoom, just go over any account that you want to open their Discord ID. Just click and hold. Okay, and here on the top right side you will see a three dots. Okay, just carefully click on that and just scroll over here and see that you will get an option to copy ID. So in this way you will able to copy ID any of the user. So this is it guys, I hope you found this video really helpful. If you then like this video, subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you on the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.